Hey there, it's Matt from CoolMarketingSoftware.com. Got some good news. I made a free trial version of OSClass-Submitter. OSClass-Submitter is our most popular software. It submits ads to 26 different sites, high traffic websites, really busy websites. So you can post free ads on Autopilot with OSClass-Submitter. And I realized that number one hang up people have is just getting to know the software and learn it. And I thought it'd be great to have a free trial version where you just download it. There's no time limit. You don't need a credit card for it or anything like that. And you can fool around with the software and, kick it around and get to know how it works and get the feel of it. Now, this software will submit to 10 sites at a time. Okay, so if I click Start Posting, I'm going to get this little pop-up that says the maximum number of ads you can submit is 10. The free version, the pro version, will submit up to 1,000. So that's the only difference. The only difference is you can submit more ads with the pro version. You can only just submit 10 at once. So how it works, basically, is that, so I put 10 ads here, and I fill out, I have some sample ads here. Say if I just click Start Posting, what's going to happen is it's going to submit my ad to a random selection of the 26 sites. There's 26 sites that it submits to, so every time it'll submit to a random selection of 10 of those 26 sites. So that's how it works. Now, the first thing you need to do is register on all the sites. So you put your name or the name you want to be shown on the sites, your email, and the password that you want to be shown on the sites. Now, you need to have Chrome installed on your computer because this software works with Chrome, and you need to have Windows 8.1 or later. We do have workaround for Mac users that's using the Windows VPS. I'll put the article in the description below. So basically, you just put this in, and it's going to register you on the site. You're going to need like a Gmail or an Outlook or Yahoo type of account. It has to be from like a major email providers. At your domain, it's not going to work. So you're going to, need like a Gmail or even AOL, Yahoo, etc. The main places, MSN.com. Those are, you need an email address like that. So it's going to come. I click register. And what you're going to see happen is it's going to register on all the sites. So it's going to open up Chrome and it's going to start registering. There, it's opening up Chrome. It's going to go to the first site. It's going to go and register. This is exactly the same process with the free software. And this you just have to do really once. So once you register an account on all the sites, you're good to go. Now I'm just someone to show you. I'm going to stop it. But you see the process, and it goes through here. It's going to click create and create the site. And then it's going to say, hey, we just sent you a confirmation email. See down here? So go here. We sent you an activation email. So you're going to get an email with a link in it. You just need to click it, and then you're confirmed. Make sure you look in your junk spam folders as well. They can end up there. So it's just going to keep going. I'm going to stop it. All right? Stop register. It'll go through the whole 26 and register. Make sure you look in your spam folder. Make sure you have Chrome installed because you'll need Chrome. Then you come to the submission part. You have two tabs here. Got the account registration. You register your account, all of those sites. You got to use the same email and password on all the sites. And then you come here and you have all your projects. Now I have some projects in here which are sales letters if you're an affiliate of CoolMarketingSoftware.com, classifiedadsubmissions.com, and Real PPV Traffic. So you can sign up for the affiliate programs for free there, and you just put your affiliate link in here for each program, like this CoolMarketingSoftware.com. Click Save, and then you have your affiliate URL, and this will post ads for CoolMarketingSoftware.com. People order, you get credit. Same thing for all these. Now, of course, you can put your own campaigns in here as well, and we encourage you to do so. So basically what you do is you put the project name, so that's what's going to appear here. You put the email that you use to register on all the sites, the email that you used, and the password over here. You put the category you want. You got your main category here, and then you got your subcategories. So you choose the category, title is the same as the headline. You can use spin tags to vary the titles and the headlines. Description, same thing. Copy and paste, by the way, folks, is on this. You can't right-click. You got to do Control-C for copy and Control-V for paste. Right? So you have a description. You can use HTML code if you want, or just text. You have your keywords. You can choose any of these countries, and what it'll do is submit to random cities in these countries. So if you choose United States, it'll submit to random cities in the United States. You've got all this other information, self-explanatory, website link, or affiliate link, same thing. You could put the YouTube share URL. You could post a YouTube video. If you're a member of classifiedadsubmissions.com affiliate program, you can put that affiliate link there. Price. Now you got the software, the image. You basically open it up, find an image, okay, and click it, open. I'm not going to do it because we have a good one here. Then click save, and that will save the image. And then all you do is start posting. You know, you're not going to be able to post a lot of ads with this. Just 10 ads maximum, but you can at least get a feel for the software and how it works. See, and you can fool around with it, and you can post a few ads too. All right, but if you really want to get serious, then you get the pro version after you learn how to use the software. You're a pro now, so you can get the pro version, and you could, instead of just putting, see, hits going, opening Chrome and logging in and everything, but instead of just promoting 10 ads, you could put 1,000 there. All right, and you just walk away and let the software do its thing. So now it's going to log in, and it's going to do it just like you would do it manually, but it's doing it automatically. And it's going to post ads on all these sites. And the cool thing, too, is you can have unlimited campaigns. And see, I have all these 3 in here for you. You can click here, and what it's going to do, every time it submits to a new site, it's going to switch projects, because that's kind of cool. So every time it goes through a cycle of submitting, you see now it goes through a cycle. You go to this one page where you have to wait for a few seconds, then it's going to click continue for you, and it's going to post the ad. But every cycle, it'll switch, and you'll see this will switch to one of the other programs here. And that's kind of good, because then it looks, you don't see the same thing on the sites all the time. It doesn't, that kind of looks spammy. If you have a different ad all the time, it looks better, and you get better results. So say if you had 10 projects here, 10 programs, you can alternate just by clicking this button, and in one click, bam, you're just promoting all your programs at once. So here we go. You can see that it's working in Chrome. It's submitting everything. You can have HTML code. We used HTML code. It's going to upload the image and basically work exactly as the Pro software. It's a really nice looking ad. It's going to pick the country, the region, the city, and it does all this for you. All right, and this posts free ads on here, on all these sites. So that's basically it. You know, I have a full tutorial on the Pro version, but you know, that's it. That's how it works. So what I suggest doing is download the free trial, and I'll put the link below. It's going to be on the sales page for us, Class Submitter. Download the free trial and mess with it and get to know it, and you know, work out a few kinks. You know, there's always something different. I'm amazed at what people find. Keep it simple at first. You know, don't do anything real fancy. But this is really, you know, you're not going to submit tons and tons of ads without having to constantly come back and, you know, resubmit. This is really not meant as a super duper marketing tool in the free trial version. It's a true free trial. It's to teach you how to use the software. That's the purpose. Then you get the Pro and you're good to go. Now there's no CAPTCHAs here either to worry about. See what happens. It's going to another site. There's no CAPTCHAs, so it doesn't cost you money every time you post, which is a huge advantage. And you can put unlimited campaigns. You could change campaigns. It gives you a lot of flexibility having this type of software. You could try out different campaigns, see what works for you, see what doesn't work for you. And, you know, if you get through this little technical, you know, jump, which is not much, really, you can, you know, have a good system here of advertising. And this is just one tool that you can use, and it's very inexpensive. Once you own the software, there really isn't any other expense going on, pretty much. And you can have very inexpensive advertising and use that in conjunction with everything else you're doing. You know, everybody wants a silver bullet. This isn't a silver bullet. There's not one thing that's a silver bullet. Use this, use other things. That gets you momentum, all right, because you're doing lots of things, lots of activities. Now, if you want to get the pro version, just come up here. You click visit here, and it takes you right to the sales page where you can get the pro version. See, this is how you get the free trial too. You click here and you download it. So that's how you get the free trial as well. I'll put that link below. Then when you're ready to order, you click here, and this is a full tutorial, which pretty much says what I just said on the pro version. You can read that here. It tells you in detail all the benefits, so on and so forth, of the software. And that is it, folks. So as we speak, it's still filling out ads, so you see it does work. And now you can get a free trial of Class Submitter from coolmarketingsoftware.com. And I hope this really helps you out and gets you over the hurdle of learning how to use the software. And we'll help you too. If there's a specific issue, send us an email, and we'll help you do it all the time. All right? Just give it a try and fool with it first, so you give us a specific question. Just saying it doesn't work, that doesn't tell me anything, you know. But if you say, hey, I'm having a problem with this, 99.99% of the time, we can handle it. All right? So thank you so much. This is Matthew May of Cool Marketing Software. I appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That'd be nice. If you found this helpful, join our newsletter below as well, and that way you'll be up to date if we come out with new software, and we are planning on coming out with new software, and with any of the tips and promotional ideas that we have as well. So thanks so much. Matthew May, coolmarketingsoftware.com.